My name is Brett Geddes, and I'm going to teach you how to do the kip up in 2-3 minutes. I don't know. We'll see how long this takes to film. So, there's two parts to the kip up. There's the explosion from the legs and the press from the arms. With the explosion from the legs, there's 5 movements to it. Knee tuck, roll back, explode up, knee hinge, toe plant. Now, once you're leaving the ground, that's when you're gonna press up, like so. And that's how I want you to practice it. You're gonna do about 5 reps of that each day. Now, once you have the technique and once your body's kind of learned and adapted to it, you can give it a shot. Give yourself a little momentum by coming up.
Let's go.
There's really only a few mistakes that people make with the kip up. The rest of it is just your body trying to figure it out. The one is not aiming straight up. Your instincts are gonna be you wanna shoot out, but what you wanna do is aim straight up so that you give your knees enough time to hinge and then toe plant. The other mistake is forgetting to press. Again, it's just your body trying to figure it out. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to coordinate the two at the beginning, but your body will figure it out. So, have fun, don't get frustrated, let your body figure it out.